Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make onion scrambled eggs. So let's get started. I've got here one small onion which I have thinly sliced, 2 eggs, salt to taste, some red and green chilies which I have thinly sliced, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Take your eggs, add 2 pinches of salt and beat it well using a fork. Place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. Add onions and chilies. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions are translucent. Add eggs, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, break the eggs into large pieces, flip it over and cook it for 1 more minute or until the eggs get a light brown color. Turn the heat off and it is ready to serve. My onion scrambled eggs are ready and you can serve it with roti, toast or some dal and rice. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.